Hi, Smart Matthias here. The Volvo is just back from the MOT. A few things that need fixing on it. I'll show you them in another video, so make sure you follow and subscribe. But there's an issue with the gear lever. It's an automatic. I'll show you now, and it's probably a common problem. So here's the problem that I've got. Can you see this? This here, it just sticks. It doesn't want to do what it wants to do. So that is a bit broken with me there. Now I've seen videos, thanks Robert, how to replace these, but it's working. I've seen the price of these. They're about, just that switch there, they're about €5, and I've seen somebody trying to get €25 for them, but I'm going to change that at some point. But before I do that, because I think I can make do with that for a while, this was the other alternative that somebody showed online, and if I can find the person, I'll put credits up there for them. You can just get some polish and you spray the polish around there, and it just loosens it enough when you're using it that it doesn't stick. So let's try that. I'm going to put a cloth around there so I don't get polish everywhere. Just spray on it and see if it works. After a bit of polish, my knob is now very shiny, so let's see if it works. Wow, that worked like a charm. I can, with that just bit of polish, that's just released a bit of the grime. It's lubricated it, and I think I'll get another 6 months out of this button. Now, this will break more in time and get more tricky, but just by using that polish, it's just made it so much easier. I can now when I put it into park, I can now get my key out with no problem at all, because where's the key? There's the key somewhere. Yeah, there's the key. What used to happen was I used to have to put my fingers here and just wrench it out. But now, hey ho, it's perfect. So I hope that helps somebody with a sticky knob. Just get some polish. It lubricates it. Don't put oil, just polish, and it just pops in and out. In time, you will need to change that knob. You'll need to change that knob button then. But don't pay £24 or €24 for it. You can get them for about £4.99 from Europe somewhere. I'm willing to wait a couple of days, for that to come over, rather than pay the extortionate prices they've got on YouTube. Okay, so remember, like, subscribe, and if you want to see more videos from this Volvo V70, I've got lots to do. Here's a funny knob story for you. When I bought this Volvo, the guy used it. He had a van, and he just had this Volvo parked up outside his house. And at the end of every night, he used to put all the rubble from his building company or painting company, whatever he had, and he used to drive it to the dump, because cars could go to the dump and dump things. Vans had to pay. So that's why this car's got so low mileage. But when I bought the car, he gave me a rag, not this rag, but he gave me a rag. And I said, no, do you want your rag back? And he said, no. Sometimes the key gets stuck in the lock. And what I do is I just leave the key in and just put the rag over the key. And he said in about 5 years, the car's never been stolen. So the problem, the reason why the key got stuck, not because of anything to do with the lock, nothing to do with the key at all. It was because of that automatic knob on the automatic shifter. Okay, so a bit of fun facts, I don't know. I wanted to put that down in history. So anyway, bye for now.